we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Front wheel bearing replacement. BMW Series F30. If the customer complains about running noises that are accentuated when turning in one of the parts, the wheel bearing on that side may be the cause. In this video, you will see what tools and devices you need as well as the part codes for the new parts. Remove the wheel. Remove the fixing screw of the brake disc. Remove the brake caliper and the brake disc. Use a TX60 tool to loosen the wheel bearing bolts. The bearing is fixed to the wheel carrier with 4 screws. Remove the screws. Mount the device for extracting the bearing. Protect the ABS sensor when cleaning the mounting area. We will use a bearing produced by SKF with the code VKBA6781. Insert the fixing screws into their holes, then mount the new bearing. tighten the screws diagonally. These are the wheel bearing tightening torques. The new brake discs we will use are produced by TRW with the part code DF4870S. Use the silicone grease on the disc fixing surface. Mount the new brake disc. Mount the brake caliper support. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.